Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Ditto Music app step by step. First, download and install the Ditto Music app from your App Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app on your phone. When you open it for the first time, it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in using your email address, or you can continue with Google or Apple. Choose the option you prefer and log into your account. After signing in, you will land on the main screen. From here, you can start creating your music release. Tap on the button that says Create Release. This will take you to the release creation page. On this page, enter the title of your release and the artist name. Make sure everything is spelled correctly because this is how it will appear on streaming platforms. Next, upload your audio file. It is recommended to use a high-quality WAV file for the best results. After uploading the audio, choose the platforms where you want your music to be available. Select the platforms you prefer, such as Spotify and others available in the list. Once you complete all the required details and submit the release, your music will be processed and then go live. You can track your release performance in the Analytics tab. Here you can see statistics like streams and performance data. Next, open the Wallet section. In this area, you can see your current balance and add your payout method to withdraw your earnings. Then, go to the Music section. This is where you can view all your releases in one place. Finally, open the Profile section. Here you can edit your plan, update your personal details, and manage your account settings. Thanks for watching.